So now you can see that I've got everything nice and plated up here. Back here we've got the filet, we've got the shrimp, we've got the potatoes, the corn, the asparagus, the tomatoes. Over here we have our tilapia and our salmon, potatoes and asparagus. And over here we have our steak with our shrimp and everything. This is three completely different, huge meals. All of them cooked with very, very little fat. All of them right off the grill, just some salt and pepper. You can see that none of these are what you would normally think of when you think George Foreman Grill. They're full-on, hearty, healthy meals. Not, grilled cheese sandwich or a cheeseburger or a hot dog. By the way, I ate the hot dog already in case you're wondering where it went. So this is a good way to cook really healthy. It's a good way to cook really great food, and I can't say enough good things about it. I don't want to come off like I'm a marketing guy for it, but I really use mine all the time. So it's a great thing, and I can't say enough good things about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll tune in for some of my other ones. Thank you very much, and enjoy your George Foreman Grill.